In this video, I'm going to show you how to add hyperlinks in Notion. So in here, after successfully accessing the homepage of your Notion account, what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate on the page where we would like to input the hyperlink into. Let's say what we're going to do is we're going to use in here or just create a simple new page. And once clicked, this will open up the interface wherein you can start inputting your context. Now, to add a hyperlink in here, you simply input the text where you would like to attach your hyperlink. Let's say we're going to use this text. So our goal in here is to input or attach a link to this phrase. This is a test link. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply navigate to the link that we would like to attach. Let's say we're going to use this page in here. Then we simply copy the link. Then we go back in here. Then we simply highlight the specific text that we would like to attach the link into. Then after that, you can see various options in here activating. We simply go to this link icon, which represents add link. Simply click this and you paste the link. Then you click enter. And now you have successfully added a hyperlink into your Notion page. And that's about it. That's how to add hyperlinks in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.